But, I have to admit, I was a bit skeptical at first. A curved monitor with adaptive sync technology and 250 Hz gaming experience. It sounds like a lot to take in. And what about all the other monitors on the market that claim similar things? Can they really deliver? Well, let me tell you, after spending some quality time with the PIJ 27-inch curved, I'm convinced that it's not just a marketing gimmick, it's a game changer. First of all, let's talk about the ergonomics. As I mentioned earlier, the built-in tilt mechanism allows for seamless adjustments to get you into the perfect viewing position. But what really impresses me is how intuitive it is to use. You can fine-tune the angle with just a few simple clicks, and the monitor responds instantly. It's like the monitor is designed specifically for your body. But what about the gaming experience? I've tried out plenty of monitors in the past that promised 240 Hz or higher, only to be left feeling underwhelmed by the actual performance. The PIJ 27-inch curved, on the other hand, delivers a smooth and responsive experience that's simply unmatched. Whether you're playing fast-paced games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, the monitor keeps up with your movements seamlessly. And then there's the adaptive sync technology. Now, I know what you might be thinking, isn't AMD FreeSync just another name for NVIDIA's G-Sync? Well, yes and no. While it's true that both technologies aim to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, they work in different ways. The PIJ 27-inch curve supports both DisplayPort and HDMI inputs, so you can plug in your favorite console or PC graphics card with confidence. But what really sets this monitor apart is its color accuracy. With a 98% sRGB color gamut coverage, the PIJ 27-inch curve delivers vibrant, lifelike colors that are perfect for graphic design, video editing, and other creative pursuits. And when you're working on a project that requires precision and attention to detail, every pixel counts. And have I mentioned the HDR support? Yes, this monitor supports HDR10 and HLG, hybrid log gamma, which means you'll enjoy enhanced color accuracy and contrast in your favorite TV shows and movies. Whether you're binging Netflix or watching a cinematic masterpiece on Blu-ray, the PIJ 27-inch curve delivers an immersive viewing experience that's hard to match. But what about real-world benefits? Let me tell you, after using this monitor for weeks now, I've noticed a significant improvement in my overall productivity. With the monitor's high color accuracy and contrast ratio, I can focus on my work without distractions. And when it comes to gaming, the 250 Hz response time ensures that I don't miss a single frame. Of course, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. For example, some users have reported issues with screen glare, which can be mitigated by using a screen protector or adjusting the monitor's brightness settings. However, these are minor complaints in an otherwise exceptional product. So what does it all add up to? In my opinion, the PIJ 27-inch curved is an absolute steal. With its impressive features, ergonomic design, and real-world benefits, this monitor is a must-have for anyone serious about their gaming or creative pursuits. And at, insert price, it's an affordable way to upgrade your viewing experience. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the link below to see for yourself why the PIJ 27-inch curved has become one of the most talked about monitors on the market. With its sleek design, powerful features, and commitment to performance and comfort, this monitor is sure to elevate your daily routine to new heights. Here's the complete combined script, but what if I told you there's a way to revolutionize your daily routine with just one simple swap? Introducing the PIJ 27-inch curved, a game-changing display that's about to become your new best friend. The moment you pick it up, you'll notice the sleek, ergonomic design that feels like an extension of your own hand. But it's not just about looks, this monitor is engineered for optimal comfort and performance. Let's start with the visuals. The PIJ 27-inch curved boasts a smooth 250 Hz gaming experience that's as responsive as it is vibrant. That means you'll enjoy fluid motion in fast-paced games, reduced motion blur, and a more immersive feel that draws you right into the action. But what really sets this monitor apart is its adaptive sync technology. With support for both AMD FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility via DisplayPort, you can rest assured that your visuals will stay smooth and stutter-free, even in the most intense gaming sessions. And then there's the ergonomics. The built-in tilt mechanism allows you to adjust the monitor forward or backward, -4 degrees to +15 degrees, for a comfortable viewing angle. Plus, with 100mm x 100mm VESA mounting support, you can customize your setup to fit any home office or gaming den. But let's not forget about the color and contrast. The PIJ 27-inch curve delivers vibrant FHD colors with an impressive 98% sRGB color gamut coverage, making it perfect for graphic design, video editing, and more. And with a 3000:1 contrast ratio and 300 candelas per square meter brightness, you'll enjoy deeper blacks and brighter whites that bring your